Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, create an administrator account using command prompt in Windows. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type net space, user space, admin user space, password space, /add. Type net space, user. Admin user is created successfully. Type net space, local group space, administrators space, admin user space, /add. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.